He's not a horse. He's not a horse, so he's not gonna go anywhere. So he might want to get up off of him before his legs give out. Max has arthritis, but he's a good dog.
Look at it.
Yeah, Max is 10 years old. No, Max is 11 years old this month.
Oh man, he's only got like a year or two left. Well, according to statistics.
It's Grandma's solar powered butterfly. Is that Grandpa home?
No.
Oh no.
I was gonna say 2 cars squeezed between 4 cars.
I thought it was Grandpa.
So,
Papa, put your jacket back on.
Come here.
You're gonna get a cold.
come here.
Daddy will do it.
Didn't I call you?
Why is it on your ear?
I put it there so I can zip up your jacket.
Let Daddy do it, because you already broke the
Come
zipper.
here.
He's so stubborn.
He is. He's like you.
No, he's like you, but he did it. Good job.
Put your hood on.
He thinks he's a
5.
big boy.
That's like fluffy.
Yeah, it's like fluffy. Give me 5.
The dog is like Fluffy. I'm going to see the dog. Hi, sunshines. So, we are just hanging out at my husband's parents' house. Well, the kids are visiting their grandmother. And we're just sitting here, rocking ourselves. So, my husband has decided that he wants to move back home. You want to move back to your mommy?
No, not really. I like where we live.
I like where we live too, but it's super expensive. And in order for us to buy a home, we need to save. And if we cut what we pay in rent in half and save that for an entire year, that's $10,000. We're looking at plus
14,000.
14,000 plus what we do have save up at the end of the year, so that's like close to $20,000, $22,000, and that's doable for a $400,000 loan if my husband can get his raises up, and we can go back to where we were living. But I don't think we would want to.
Nah, I wouldn't go back there.
It's expensive,
It's too
but
much money
I
for
like the area. I like the school system. I still don't know if I want to put my kids in this county school, because this county school system is not the greatest.
It's not terrible.
It's bad.
But it's not the best.
It's bad. But
You have a few bad apples.
more than a few bad apples.
A little
But
rotten.
yeah, here comes Bunny. Bunny, what's the matter? He's coming straight to me. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Someone come look at this.
Your feelings done passed and you're still trying to get up there.
You stuck? This is how far he could have gotten. What's the matter? What happened? Come tell me. Yeah, so it is a sacrifice, and we are going to make that sacrifice because at the end of the day we need stability for our children, and that's always been our main goal. I mean, we've lived where we are for 5 years, since before Jaxson was a baby, before Jaxson even came into existence. We lived there, and it's kind of sad to kind of like uproot them for a year, and inconvenience them as well. But at the same time, it's just small in terms of what they're gonna get in the end. The reward at the end is really good for them, because a big backyard and stuff like that, and each child is gonna have their own room and their own space, and they're gonna have space for playing, and not necessarily in our living and dining room area. gonna have their own space and stuff like that. So
The other car.
we might build from scratch. Who knows? You know, if we find a house that's perfect for us and it fits us, you know, we might well just go with that. But you know, our goal is to make sure that these kids are well taken care of and have a stable home. That's always been our goal. It's always been, yeah, I would say this is one of the reasons why we have tried so hard to make our marriage work, and to make sure that every decision that we make in terms of our marriage, in terms of, you know, my husband and what he does and all that, is to, you know, give them stability in terms of their parents. You know, I don't want my kids to be from a broken home, and at the same time I wouldn't keep them in a home that it's not safe, you know. So yeah, everything that we do is for our children.
Who made it?
So I just want others to get that, you know. Anyways, I'll see you guys in a little bit. What are you doing? You can't put your orange in there. You have to put your jacket on.
It's not right.
No, this is how you put it on. Put your hand this way. No, this way. Good job. What? Ready, boys? Ready?
Hey, I didn't get my jacket.
Huh?
I didn't get my jacket.
Do you always have to zip that jacket up?
Yeah, I didn't.
Because you didn't? What's going to happen if you don't zip up your jacket? Huh? What's going to happen if you don't zip up your jacket?
Nothing.
Who are you yelling at?
Nothing.
Oh, okay. Alright. Go tell Grandma and Grandpa bye. Go get your hugs. Why are you putting the orange back there?
Because it's gonna rain.
And what happened if it rains on your orange?
It will get wet.
He put the orange in the back. He said it's raining. So he had to put his orange in the back of his hoodie. He said, I have to put my orange back here because it's going to rain.
Only if you knew it.
I said, what happened? What if it gets wet? Well, if it rains on it, he said, it's going to get wet. All right, let's go. So, we're going home. Where's my jackets? It rained like nobody's business today. I have to go home and get their stuff ready for school tomorrow. And where's Mommy's jacket? Oh, here it is. I have to get their stuff ready for school and start. I finished laundry last week. That's why I wasn't. My face is so oily. That's why I wasn't making videos, because I was busy. The sky's so pretty. You can't even tell that it just rained. Look, ground is wet. Everything is wet. The sky is like pretty. Like, it's the weirdest thing. Good morning! No, stop. Let me stop. Baby Ethan is like, what is wrong with her? But, yeah, I have to finish up to yesterday's vlog. I fell asleep in my makeup. And it was the deepest sleep that I've ever fell into. I was so tired. Like, I thought I was running all over the place. Like, look at my hair. Like, there's... it's not working. But I managed to wake up at 7:20, and I had to clean up my house because the kids made a mess of it overnight. So I had to clean up my house, and I have my kitchen to clean. I think I'm done for the day. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll do, everyone's been asking about the part 2 video to my I Grew Up Poor, and I will try to get that up soon. I'm debating on whether or not I really want to do it, and I don't know. So if I do it, it'll go up on Wednesday. So I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.